One of the causes of water leaks, which is sometimes now commonly known, is this gasket here. Now there used to be paper, and what used to happen was the expansion and contraction between the steel and the aluminium used to rub away the paper, and then these used to leak. But because they were so close to the exhaust and the warm part of the block, any water used to evaporate, so people used to say, oh, I've got a water leak but I can't see where it's coming from. So Land Rover modified the idea, and these are genuine gaskets, and they made a pressed steel one, and these are never really fail. And now they come, if you get a timing belt kit from Britrest, the proper one, the OEM proper one, it comes with these. I do believe it does, so you can do both at the same time. But we're going to fit this now, torque it up, and that's a little bit of preventative maintenance.